does a hen do? Yeah, a hen or chicken, yeah, lays eggs. And look, there's some baby chickens, and they say, cheep, 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 cheep. Yes, yes, and they are little chicks. And we've got, last but not least, a kitty cat. We got a little farm cat. And what sounds does a cat make? Yeah, meow, 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 meow. Yes, that's right. Those are our farm animals. And I just so happen to have some other farm animals here. And I want you to use your listening ears. Nay, nay! Oh my goodness, look. It's a horsey. And I don't just have one horsey. I've got a couple more. Let's count them. Ready? We say 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We've got 5 horsies here. Can you make a sound like a horsey? Yeah. Can you practice with your hooves and say, neigh, neigh? Oh, nice job. Thank you for joining us this week. We'll see you again soon. Bye.